probably stop somewhere up there though. So there's this again. Two Jeep locomotives. And then they got like 4 axles on that truck. $26.94 and $25.62. There's a windshield trying to get fixed again. Thank you. That's not a very fast one. Probably not the longest one either. Too bad they don't have the Cascade green locomotive Jeep on that. Oh, so one. They came out way faster. There's the end of it already. Don't even have a caboose on that one either. Guess they don't do too many backup moves. If they did a lot of backup moves, they would have like a 7 platform. But they don't always do that. Seems like it always has about the same kind of white cars. And that would be like, okay. In this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hype if you can.